Hello, welcome to Data Center Tech. In this video, I will guide you on how to upgrade the monitoring firmware. To achieve these tasks, we will be utilizing the powerful tool, FileZilla. First, download and install FileZilla client. Open the browser. Type in FileZilla in the search engine and hit enter to initiate the search. Click on the download link to access the download page. Once you're on the download page, locate the option to download FileZilla client. Click on the Download FileZilla client download button. Look for the first download button and click on it. This will start the automatic download process. Now, the file will start downloading automatically. Just sit back and wait for a moment while it completes. Remember, it may take some time depending on your internet connection. Okay, the download is complete. One click to install. Click Run. Click I agree. Click Next to continue. Here selects desktop icon to create a shortcut on the desktop. Default installation folder. Default installation. After the completion of the automatic opening of the software, click OK to turn off the introduction of the software.
Next, make the necessary configuration. Click Edit in the menu, select Settings. Select the FTP file type below the transfers. Find CGI in the drop-down options on the right. Click Remove, then find CGI and click Remove. Then uncheck the box. OK. Configuration is complete. Because such files may cause code exceptions.
After the configuration is complete, connect to the monitoring host. Enter the IP address of the monitoring host in the browser to enter the web interface. Enter account number admin. Enter password 12348765. Click on the login. If it can be accessed normally, it indicates that the connection between the computer and the monitoring host is normal. If you can't get in, then check the connection or IP address. If you can come in and switch pages normally, it indicates that the connection between the computer and the monitoring host is fine. Then open the FileZilla interface. In the top menu bar, enter host, monitor host IP address, username, FTP, password, FTP and port, 2121. Click the Quick Connect button to connect to the monitoring host and confirm OK. This displays the file system of the monitoring host on the right side, which indicates that the monitoring host file system has been accessed. The next step is how to update the firmware. First of all, make a backup of the firmware on the monitoring host. In case the upgrade is not successful, you can also restore the original firmware. On the left side, select a folder on your computer. Here is the folder on your desktop. Create a new backup folder to back up the original firmware. The files downloaded from the monitoring host are stored here. Select the folder and enter it. On the right side is the file system of the monitoring host. Enter data mgrid to enter the folder. Then enter sampler. Download the whole SO folder and XML CFG folder. Here you can see the status of success or failure. Here is a special note. Be careful during the operation. Mistakenly deleting or modifying system files may cause the monitoring host to reboot or not start normally. Then go to the SD card folder and download the entire v2_pagelist folder and mgrid.ini file. After the download is complete, the backup is complete. Then you can go to the next step and upload the updated firmware. Upgrade monitor firmware. First, make sure the connection is working, and the web page can be accessed normally. By the way, check the current version. Then find the new firmware folder on the left computer. On the right side monitor host, go to Data, mgrid configuration folder. Go to Sampler, XML CFG folder and delete all the files in it. Computer side, also find the corresponding folder to upload all the files to monitor. Note that all files must be deleted before uploading. Note: be careful during the operation. Accidental deletion or modification of system files may cause the monitor to reboot cyclically or fail to start normally. Then go back to the SO folder and enter the SO folder on the computer side. Select all the files to upload. Choose to overwrite the ones that overlap and apply to current queue only. When done, go to the SD card folder and select mgrid.ini on the computer side to upload and overwrite. Go to VTU_pagelist folder, delete all files. Computer side, also go to VTU_pagelist folder, select all files to upload. Reboot the monitoring host after the upload is done. The remote reboot is done by deleting the reboot file in SD card, TMP. Refresh the host to make it reboot accordingly. When the refresh button is grayed out, it indicates that the reboot is already in progress. The current version is I. Let's see what happens after the reboot. It has been refreshed normally and the reboot file has been regenerated. Going to the web page to see the version has changed means that the upgrade has been successful.